What is up, everybody? So let's have a peek at what's going on for the beginning of the month, September 1st. So we're August 31st right now, looking into what tomorrow may have in store. Anytime you guys want to have just a better idea of what's going on in the market, first and foremost, I don't know if I've ever mentioned it, but I think it goes without saying, go to your daily, okay? What's going on the daily? Very, very simple, right? We're obviously in a very clear downtrend. Okay, that's good. Only take sells, right? If you want to take longs, you want to make sure that there's an order flow shift against higher time frame. There's a liquidity sweep that you can play off of, and that's it. Okay, keep things simple. Don't overcomplicate things. As it stands right now, if you're looking at this, and this is your structural leg, there's no ifs, ands, or buts. This is your structural leg that we're playing right now. Don't be looking for shorts. You're going to get hurt, man. Even if they play out, doesn't matter. You got to have some sort of ruling system, right? This is not a structural high. Why is it not a structural high? Because it didn't take out a structural low. There's been an order flow shift and a realignment, but like ultimately you're playing in the discount of the leg, right? You got to be very careful. So I'm waiting. I'm going to continue waiting. This is the first area that we can look, right? That's it. Nothing else. Close your eyes till then. Set an alert. No need to look at anything else. Keep it simple. GU. Look at the leg we're operating in, right? What's going on? Break a structure, break a structure. Okay, if that's the break, guess what? Swing high is here, right? That's where we're sitting. Okay. You can formulate trade ideas with a lower time frame swing leg, something like this. That's fine. You can do that, but it's riskier. The deeper and deeper we get in price, the riskier it becomes. Look at other pairs. Right? Look at other pairs. What's making more sense? Just my opinion. That's all. Break a structure. Trade was up here. Come back up in. Nothing going on yet. Let's let this break down a little bit further. Ideally see some liquidity taken out of the market. I'm not even looking at these pairs right now. They're too deep. GJ, on the other hand, this thing's about to fucking make moves. Anyways, I literally called it for you guys today. There was going to be another opportunity, and the second opportunity came directly after. It was on the one that took liquidity, in the discount, all these different things. Hope somebody's in it. Look for scale ends later. We've got a little flip zone that could potentially be interesting. Euro JPY, jump up to the 4. Yeah, like I said, this is gonna come up into these regions up here, possibly a little bit higher, possibly up into here. We'll see some downside potential at some point. No need to chase price right this second. Right now, demand is controlling the market from here, right? So you can look for longs in here if you really want. There's no issue with doing it. Just be mindful of the fact that we are getting more and more premiumly priced, right? So it's totally your call. It's up to you guys. I'm not going to be playing this. I got other stuff I'm worried about. I'm already in my trade for the week. I'm not concerned. Wait for the high quality stuff. High quality. Let's see what happens around here. Let's see what happens around here. Let's see how our liquidity builds. If it does, man, there's a big trade on Euro JPY potentially that we can take. USD CAD moving up. Talked about this yesterday. Coming into demand zone. Boom, probably a 30-yard trade sitting right in here to keep going up until we see order flow realignment, right? So once we break through this level, then we can start looking. We're going to look for this to break down, right? We don't need to guess what's going to happen in the market. We need to read what is happening. Once this breaks, then we can start looking at how it develops, how it comes in, comes back out, and then starts dropping down. Unmitigated demand, take partials, continue down, take partials, all of these things, right? So right now, as we get premium, right? Leg right now. So let's see what happens. See what happens in here. See if anything is going to happen in these regions. And if it does, fantastic. Then we can look for ourselves. If not, don't fucking worry about it. Gold is done, melting off the face of the earth. Okay. Again, not a whole lot to play right now. Might have to diversify into a couple different pairs for next week. That's fine. I'm going to have a look at what's going on across other majors. But as it stands right now, the most interesting pair is definitely Euro, GBP, JPY. Let's look for some continuations. We'll see what happens. Bring this back down, potentially go back up. Okay. Simple. Easy peasy for today. In terms of watch list, there's not a lot to watch. GJ is like the one that I'm most interested in personally. XAU USD, I mean, man, if you want to take these small continuations and stuff like that, this is a week low. So, but it might throw a reaction out to take liquidity before dropping down. So you got to be careful, right? Follow the rules. That's it. That's all. No, this is the leg we're sitting in. Actually, the leg we're sitting in right now technically is from here to here, right? Come up, could potentially come higher, but I don't think so. I think we're going to play into the week low. So, yeah, Euro GPY we'll watch tomorrow. Or sorry, GBP JPY we'll look for tomorrow, potentially getting involved. Euro GPY we might be inching closer and closer to some nice sell positions if and when we come up into this region. And then we'll look for our confirmations. So this is interesting. Both JPY pairs are the ones that I'm really interested in right now. Cool. Have a good night. See you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.